Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this ultimate call center software platform, which is CloudTalk. So I'm going to analyze a quick review about this platform to able to decide if it would be a better option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis, CloudTalk in 2025 offer a robust, easy-to-use cloud-based phone system for sales and support team. It's packed with features like call queuing, real-time analytics, call recording, and a seamless integration with the CRMs like Hotspot and a Salesforce together with a Zendesk. The platform is especially useful for remote or distributed teams thanks to its global calling capabilities and a local numbers option in 160 plus countries. It's intuitive to set up and doesn't require a complicated hardware, making it appealing for growing businesses. CloudTalk is a strong choice if you want a reliable, ball performance, advanced core routine, and a useful CRM integration. It may not be the cheapest solution out there, but its scalability and global reach, together with the productivity-focused features, make it one of the top call center tools for 2025, especially for teams focused on a customer service or outbound sales. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and that's it.